Their plans to destroy you ended up destroying themselves and others connected to them instead. There is someone that is very fixated on you, and I feel like they're learning the lessons now that you're not one to play with. I feel like this individual was very fixated on trying to slow you down, trying to destroy your character. And they sent out many spells, and these spells could have been in forms of trying to manipulate others to move away from you, trying to stop and block you from going towards your goals and dreams, as well as gossiping about you, because gossip is also a form of spell work. And now this person is realizing that everything that they sent out to you has ricocheted right back, and it's now affecting them and affecting those close to them also. This individual thought that they were extremely powerful. They thought that they were extremely intelligent, more intelligent than you. But what they didn't realize is that you could foresee what they were going to do before they did it, because they left trails. You connected the dots in regards to their behavior. You got a sense that this person didn't like you, and you felt uneasy whenever you were around them. And you started to notice that things were not aligning for you whenever this person was around. You started to notice that whenever you told this person about your goals and your plans, it wouldn't work out for you. For some of you, you started to notice that you were delayed in regards to what you wanted to do, who you wanted to connect with. Things were being blocked. And it was because of this individual. They may have had other people fooled around them, but you worked them out. You saw that this individual was extremely and is extremely manipulative. And you notice that this individual spoke to others differently from the way that they spoke to you, or they didn't speak to you at all. And that highlighted to you that this person had it out for you based on their energy, based on their behavior whenever they were around you, based on how they treated you. They exposed themselves that they had it out for you. And you were right, because this person was diligently working behind the scenes to slow you down. I feel like they were definitely dabbling. And because of this, they felt like I feel like they may have done this before to other people and it worked, but your energy is very powerful and very strong, and they've never encountered an energy like yours before. So whatever they sent out to you, it didn't affect you. It may have slowed you down, right? It may have slowed you down, but I feel like because you kept your vibrations high, because you stayed within the light, whatever they were trying to throw your way, it came right back. And we're going to uncover how it came right back. You see, this person is going through a lot of karma right now. The mask that they wore in the past and how they were able to manipulate others has now been exposed. Their masks have slipped, right? Is what I'm picking up. This person was very deceitful, not only to you, but to others. This person was very determined to get to a position of power. They were very fixated on being a leader of some sort, right? And because of this, they may have cozied up with the higher ups at a workplace or wherever you know this person from, because their whole aim was to succeed by all cost. They felt like you were in their way. They felt like they should be known and seen as a pioneer or something. This person feels as if it's their duty to be, I'm hearing like they want to be praised. They want to be, they want people to worship them in some cases. But the thing is, this individual, they don't have the attributes and qualities to be in the position that they want to be in. They believe in taking shortcuts. They believe in acting very deceitful. And if they have been in that energy, they have actually been exposed. They've been exposed for their deceit, for their corruption, for their theft, for some of you, for their cheating ways, all because they want to be in some sort of leadership position or be with someone that is a leader, be aligned with someone, be a business partner with someone, be in a relationship with someone. It all boiled down to them being seen in a certain light, and they felt like you were in their way and they had to get you out of the picture. So they stooped to underhanded means to get to this actual position, right? And I feel like what actually happened is they exposed themselves for being somebody that is prejudiced. They expose themselves for being someone that is extremely gullible in their quest for riches and fame. Okay. And this energy was exaggerated because of their desperation to get to this actual position. And they felt like you were slowing them down. And they didn't realize that you were more powerful than them. They didn't realize that you are connected to your guides. You are connected to spirit, and you live your life in a way whereby it will not only benefit yourself but benefit others. Even if you are in a position right now and you want to strive to achieve to get to the top, you don't take any shortcuts. You don't step on others to get to where you want to go. Even if this person was flying higher than you knew that your time will come. You didn't try to manipulate anyone or this person. You just stayed in your own lane, basically. And I feel like this person is feeling very dumbfounded that their manipulation and their spell work didn't work out. Now this person is experiencing a lot of misfortune. Now this person is seeing you in a leadership position because whatever they sent out, it bounced right back to them and to others connected to them. This person is in this energy of being in the Five of Pentacles. They feel left out in the cold. So they send out an energy to you so that you are abandoned, so that you lose your job, so that no one wants to speak to you, so that you are lonely and isolated. This is now happening to them. It's what I'm picking up. Whatever they sent out, it did not have the effect that they wanted it to have. They tried to break down your protection. But because you are in alignment with God's spirit, whoever you believe in, because, you pray and you do the right things, you don't go out your way to hurt anyone, you treat people the way you want to be treated, this is what protected you. You being high vibration, or you just focusing on yourself, is what protected you. And now this person is in the Eight of Swords, feeling mentally trapped, discombobulated, not understanding why people still support you, not understanding that the people closest to them are now being affected. Because whoever is connected with this individual that was sending out the spell work to you, they are low vibrational, just like this person is. You are who you hang around. And because these other people were in close proximity to this person that sent this thing out to you, this spell or whatever, it has affected these people connected to them. Things are backfiring left, right, and center in this person's life, in these individuals' life who are connected to this person. Their spirit guides are very angry with this individual. Your spirit guides are very protective of you and very angry with this person. So there's issues around this person's job, and whoever they're connected with, there's issues around their job. They try to send an attack out to your love life, and your love life is growing stronger, I may add. This person is feeling as if they lack direction. They're losing their friendships, they're losing money, they're losing their connections. They don't have a direct plan as to how they're going to execute their actual plans. All the seeds that they planted are stagnant. And now they are feeling isolated and alone. And they think about what they did to you. And for some of you,